friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail address and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search for Gmail and you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.